The economic numbers, they were dismal, but investors, they don't seem to be concerned. Deborah Kostroun has all the details of today's market rally from the New York Stock Exchange.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, 2 days in a row here of some pretty big gains. Stocks rising, sending the S&P back to its highest closing price since June the 3rd. And also the S&P heading back towards 1,300, very close there as we close out today. And a lot of this today on optimism that European nations will take some action to prevent a Greek default. And the big overarching idea today is that maybe the global economy isn't in such bad shape after all, because the market was able to shake off consumer confidence, which dropped to a 7-month low as Americans are growing more concerned about the outlook for jobs and how much they're making. So at least, Pimm, as you mentioned, the market looking pretty good and shaking off some of these economic reports.
Indeed, Deborah. Now, if people believe that the global economy isn't so bad, Nike surely feeding that sentiment today.
It certainly did, because Nike was a big story, because here's a company that does well when consumers are less worried about things like gas prices and more willing to spend on themselves. And the company rising the most in 2 years after its fourth quarter profit was better than expected. They also said that the revenue will climb over the next 4 years. So that was also really helping out Nike, and not only helping out Nike, but other consumer products as well. The biggest gainers on the day today, it was energy stocks. This was after crude rose the most in almost 6 weeks as people are getting ready for the July 4th holiday. And of course, that will likely increase demand for fuel. That's it from here, Pimm. Now back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.